I'm Holly with Boom, and we're at InfoComm in sunny Orlando. I'm going to show you our BYOM large room kit. So this is all centered around our ZYGO hub, which allows for triple 4K 60 hertz screens and very easy one cable connection to a laptop. It provides power and connectivity to the laptop to all devices connected. You've got 4 total ports, 4 devices. In this particular kit, we include our MAGNA 4K PTZ camera with 27x zoom and our wireless GEMINI speakerphone that has 8 total mics for great coverage in a large space. Now, we offer these kits in a small, medium, and large kind of configuration, and everything's mix and matchable, but this is a great kit for large rooms where you maybe have 12 to 20 people or so, and you want to cover it in a very easy way for a BYOD or a BYOM room. If you want to learn a little bit more about this kit or any of our other fun video conferencing options, check it out on our website at boom.co. That's boom.co.